Do you want to look at the future? Well, I'm going to recommend a book on the future, which is drones. This book teaches you that all types of different facts about drones. Like before reading this book, I thought that drones were just flying cameras, flying everywhere, taking pictures. Then, after reading this book, I found out that drones are very useful. In this book, they teach you that drones can be used in many different ways. Like they can deliver packages to you. They can help fighting military and using cameras in no man's land. Like they can just fly around. The humans can't be there, but the drones can take pictures and send back to the humans to see. Drones come in many different sizes. They can be as small as a hand or as big as an airplane. Those gigantic ones even can carry missiles and bombs without having real-life planes and man-controlled planes to control them and get the bombs. In this book, there's a lot of different cool facts. There's also, in this book, called Drone Profile. It also for example, there's a drone profile right here. It teaches you about the Skyboard project that is happening in the 2010s. Very cool, right? This book is basically teaches you all type of drones. If you have any questions of drones, this book, you definitely have to read this book. I really recommend this book to kids and adults who really like airplanes, transportation, a lot of how machine works. Like for example, how does even drone work? What is it even used for? And more, even cars or people who don't even like reading books. This is a picture book. It has less words. You don't really have to go off task and really focus on the book. Like it's just a lot of less words. Make sure to get this in the school library or buy it. Or borrow it from a local library. Reading's what I do. Books I share with you. Tell me what to review. Bye!